I've said it before and I'll say it again. I really love Canva. And one of the things that I love about it is how easy it is to create simple websites, apps and games using the Canva code feature, which you can either use yourself for project management, planning, anything you like, or you can share with students through Canva Classroom. Let's have a look at how Canva code works, and hopefully I'll give you the confidence to get started and try it out. And if you're new around here, hi, my name's Jacob. Please do subscribe if you want to learn more about your iPhone and iPad. I share hundreds of really quick, friendly and simple tips to help you learn what your devices are really capable of. Okay, so in the Canva app, I'm going to tap onto Canva AI on the left-hand side, and we're going to turn on the little code toggle in the middle. Now, from here, we're basically going to type in what it is we want to build, or we can use dictation on the keyboard to be a little bit quicker. There's no limit really to what you can make here, but for this example, I'll make a resource for a maths lesson, and we're learning about fractions. So we've all had things like this where you think about a pizza being cut in half and you get a piece of paper and you snip it up or whatever else. But let's make a digital version that we can manipulate and then use to add and combine fractions. So I'm going to type in there exactly what I want, and I'm just going to say an interactive fractions exploration tool where we can add multiple fractions together to get a total value. I don't want it themed like pizza though, that's a little bit cliche, and we're doing space in class at the moment, so let's make it a space theme. So I'll type that in there as well, and perhaps we'll look at making each fraction a planet or a moon or something like that. Then, when we tap on here, Canva's going to start working, and it's going to start writing the code for you. Notice that you've not had to go into a scary code editor, there's no certificates to set up, there's no accounts to make, it's all just happening here in Canva, and it's really simple and really friendly. Now, this takes a couple of minutes, so let's just jump forwards, and then you can see the first version of that code appears here. You can tap onto it, and immediately it will take you to that interactive resource that we've created. Now, it might not be perfect. In fact, quite often the first time around it isn't. But you can still see exactly what Canva's done here, and you can explore it, and you can play with it, and you can test it. But then, the clever thing is we can go back into the chat, and we can simply tell it what to change. What needs improving? What new features do you want to add? How are we going to adapt this? And just like you'd imagine, Canva's going to go away and do that for you. This really is friendly and simple. In fact, at no point have I seen the actual code yet on the screen, I'm just looking at the result of that code that's been built for me. And of course, when we've perfected our activity or our organizer or whatever it is we've made, we can then save that into our Canva account to open anytime we like, or we can share it with our students or other people via a website link. This really is a great feature, and I can't stress enough how friendly it is compared to other ways of doing AI-based coding. So just give it a go. Try and think about a plan or a lesson you've got coming up and see if Canva code can help make that work for you, and let me know in the comments below what you've built. I hope that's been useful. If you want to see some more Canva quick tips, make sure you subscribe and then check out this quick tip next.